What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna be cooking some chicken grillers, hickory smoked wrapped, well, bacon wrapped. So it's basically just big chicken wrapped in bacon. So we're gonna wrap it up, get in there. Anthony's over there. We're gonna be trying this thing out and see how this comes out, and hopefully it comes out delicious. Anthony.
Ow!
Did you really not park though?
Good job. See what you
I
did.
hit my headlight.
No, that was not the headlight. That was
right here. I just saw it right here.
No, look. Oh,
I just saw
it. You see the scratch?
That's not it.
Yeah,
That's been there. It hit right here.
Yeah.
I watched for it.
I watched it hit right there.
It did. It went boom.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the headlight costs more probably than fender. All right, so we got the chicken in here, all sitting on the header, ready to go. How do you think it's gonna come out, Anthony?
Honestly, I don't think it's gonna be as good as the other ones because you got two things cooking one time. You know.
No, that doesn't matter.
No, it does. It does.
A thousand, but separately. They're separate. You're cooking.
Yeah, but
oh my god, that
was
foil.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure. I think that something's gonna be too hard or too soft. That's it. That's the end of it.
That's the end of it.
That's the end of. That's my prediction, and that's what's gonna happen.
All right.
Hit me up for watches.
We're gonna go drive around and we're gonna cook that shit. Alright guys, I don't know if we're gonna eat it now. I gotta wait to my mom's house. Alright. Feel how this feels? Oh, they're hot. It's hot. I probably shouldn't cook it more, but we're gonna cook it a little more. So we're going back to my mom's house, so we get some plates, and we're gonna eat some of that stuff. I thought someone was turning right here.
It's definitely burnt right now.
Yeah, we'll pull over. It's burning.
Going to here. No, there's a cone.
That's a cone.
It's definitely like I smell crispy bacon. Like
hey,
black bacon.
Nothing wrong with crispy bacon.
No, it's like black right now.
I don't think it's black.
I think so. I think that the bacon cooked a lot faster than the chicken.
Oh no, maybe it can get black because it's barbecuing in the 1,000-degree oils right now.
Yeah.
I hate this right now.
Everybody's like, why do I smell bacon?
Why do I smell bacon right now?
We just start serving everybody, anybody you want.
You want here, catch?
Ooh, God.
That is a nice Corvette.
It's a Z.
All right. Well, we're gonna go get this food out of this engine bay. Is there smoke yet? Down.
Did I break this?
No.
Oh my God.
You thought you did, didn't you?
I literally thought I did.
All right. Well, that's gonna be. There's one.
Was it hot?
Of course.
Why
That's
are you
two.
throwing it?
Cause it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah, put it in the trunk. Put them in the trunk.
The
All right.
trunk?
Yep. I'll show you where. All right. I think these ones finally. These are the first ones I haven't leaked on my car.
Ow! Now it's getting hot.
Yeah, it's getting hot now. Let's get this in the trunk.
There's oil coming through.
Is there? Oh my God. Oh wait. Well, that's why I threw them on the floor.
Cold. We just gotta see if it's cooked. That's the problem.
Well, yeah, I'll let you open yours. I'll let you do the first opening since I always do. I don't litter.
I would never.
Ooh. Throw it in the trunk. Oh. God damn it. I'm gonna kill you, Anthony.
It's getting hotter each layer. How many freaking layers did you?
It's just 2 layers.
Still raw.
No?
The chicken's kind of cooked. But the bacon is like...
I don't know. Is it just because it's... Alright, well, it's not...
chicken's done. But the bacon, like I said, let me see.
Oh, that's done.
Yeah,
That's like, I think perfect. What do you think?
it's perfect, but the bacon, like my prediction, would be too soft.
I'll say this is pretty good.
Yeah, but then you have one for yourself.
All right, well, you opened yours. I'm gonna go to my mom, see what she thinks of it. I hope the chicken's not bad.
Yeah, that'd be real bad.
Because, what do you call it? It was just in my car yesterday for a while. That entire time we were driving around until I put it in the fridge.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, alright, so bacon and no go.
No go to the bacon.
No go to bacon cook. Alright guys, now we know now we cannot cook bacon in the engine bay. Hold on, I need to leave that open. And chicken though you could definitely do. We knew this from a previous video. But cannot do bacon.
No.
And you try the piece, right?
Yeah, it's just raw. That's all.
Yeah, just raw stuff.
Just
Do not
raw.
cook bacon in your engine bay, but chicken just go. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want more of these, please leave a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.